In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a profile on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's begin by navigating to the profile you wish to report. Open your favorite web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you arrive at the site, sign in with your credentials. After signing in, locate the specific profile page of the individual you want to report. You can find this by either searching their name in the search bar at the top or accessing it through your connections. Once you're on their profile, you're ready to take the next step. Look for the More button, which is situated at the top section of the profile page. This button is typically found near the Message or Connect buttons. Go ahead and click on that More button, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Report Block. This will lead you to a new window that will prompt you to choose how you want to proceed with your report. You'll see another pop-up window with two choices displayed prominently. Here, you need to select Report Account. This is the step that officially indicates you wish to report the profile for review. Now that you've initiated the reporting process, you'll need to select the reason for your report. LinkedIn will provide you with a set of choices, and it's important to pick the most fitting reason from the list. Some reasons include spam or scams, harassment or hate speech, a fake profile or impersonation, and inappropriate content. Take a moment to select the option that aligns with your concerns. After you've chosen your reason, LinkedIn may further prompt you for additional specific details. This is particularly the case if you've opted for broader categories like harassment. In such instances, you might need to clarify what specific actions or statements prompted your report. This additional information can help LinkedIn's team better understand the situation and take appropriate actions. Once you've provided this information and are satisfied with your choices, it's time to confirm everything. Carefully review your selections and ensure all the details are accurate. After you have double-checked everything, you can go ahead and click on Submit or Done. This final step sends your report directly to LinkedIn's Trust and Safety team for their review. It's worth mentioning that LinkedIn takes these reports seriously, and they aim to maintain a safe community for users. Therefore, it's crucial that your reports are honest and based on genuine concerns. Reporting a profile is a simple yet significant action that helps keep the platform friendly and professional. By following these steps, you contribute to a supportive community for all LinkedIn users. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more helpful content.